This is the Sizzix craft level semi-professional die cut press. So the Sizzix die cut tools are essentially little units that are going to fit down here. You can put fabric or paper, and then this press is going to use the action of the cam and the fulcrum, the simple machines, to apply as much pressure as you can put with your body weight onto in a equal pressure onto this big bar that's going to very symmetrically push down and cut with your die cutter labels or patterns. This can be used on fabric. These can be used for scrapbooking. These can be used for creating labels for your products. It's great to have your own die cutting press. There's Sizzix makes all kinds of patterns in the die cutters. It even comes with a set, and then it's an easy to use it's all mechanical, non-electronic press. So if you need to die cut, which can be pretty expensive, this is an at-home version that's semi-professional. Hope this helps.